Hi, I'm Patryk Wawok and I work as an SEO specialist here at Webcertain. What is Page Experience Update? Page Experience Update is a Google algorithm update that's already impacting mobile search results. In February 2022, it will start impacting desktop search results. It takes web vitals, which are core web vitals related to web performance and loading speed, HTTPS, and intrusive interstitials into account as a ranking factor. For mobile, it also includes mobile usability, but this is not applicable for desktop search results. What is the potential impact and who will it affect and when? The potential impact of Page Experience Update should not be major one. As stated by Google, Page Experience Update is only a tiebreaker. So if there are two pages that are ranking similarly in search results in terms of content or technical performance, core vitals or page experience will be taken into account as a tiebreaker. So if one page is performing better in terms of page experience compared to the other one, the first one will probably outrank it. This update will probably affect every single page in Google sooner or later. It already impacts mobile search results since June 2021, and it will start impacting desktop search results in February 2022. So what are core web vitals? Core web vitals are three metrics that are measuring your user experience and web performance of the page. Those metrics are largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. Largest contentful paint focuses on loading performance, which checks when the main content is being rendered on the page. First input delay is checking the interactivity of the page. It checks the delay between first user interaction and the browser response for that interaction. Cumulative layout shift checks the layout stability of the page. It checks if there are a lot of elements that are moving during the rendering process of the page. Why are core web vitals important? Core web vitals are important in two different areas. First of all, they are important in terms of rankings. Because they are ranking factor, they impact your performance in search results in organic search. So even if it's a tiebreaker, it has an impact on your organic performance. But core web vitals have also an impact on your user experience, because the goal of Page Experience Update is to quantify the user experience that is being served by your website. Core web vitals will affect your user experience, which will later correlate to business metrics and user experience metrics such as conversion rate, number of transactions, number of pages per session, or bounce rate. What should businesses do in advance to prepare for the Page Experience Update? First of all, don't panic. Page Experience Update is not a major update, and your website will probably not suffer that much because of this update. But because Google is taking into account user experience more and more, it's important to optimize your website around this area. How should businesses monitor their websites after the rollout? You can check your performance in two ways after the rollout. First of all, you can check if your traffic actually changed after the rollout, as it shouldn't, because it is not a major update. But you should also check how your website performs in terms of core web vitals. We suggest mostly checking your field data. You can check it in Chrome User Experience Report and check how your website performs on both mobile and desktop in terms of particular metrics such as largest contentful page, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. For other web vitals that are also being targeted in Page Experience Update, you can check if your website has implemented SSL certificate and HTTPS, if you use intrusive pop-ups as intrusive interstitials are now being blocked or taken into account as a part of Page Experience Update. And for mobile, you can check mobile friendly test to see if your website is mobile friendly and optimized for mobile devices.